Yeah, this bitch wants to waste the paint. Oh yeah, we wasting paint. Picasso. I'm gonna put you out. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I probably keep missing the good stuff. I'm tired. So this is about to be my office. Right here. On this side, we have the laundry room in there. This is the laundry. And I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with this side, but I know that this side is about to be my office, so let's get started. We're gonna start with putting this table together. Hey y'all, so right now I'm getting ready to do some stuff in my office, like put my tables together and probably like kind of just take all the stuff out of the boxes and stuff, just to see exactly what I have and stuff. Not necessarily putting my office together, I don't know. That may happen, that may not. So, but right now I'm just gonna like film myself putting everything together. And I have not put up my stuff to hold my phone up to film, so I just got it sitting on the box. So it might fall, it might not, hopefully it doesn't. But okay y'all, so yeah, stay tuned, watch me go ahead and put my table together and stuff for my office, and let's get into it. Okay, that's gonna be too high. The fact that I'm recording and I can't get this on is really bothering me, because all of the other ones went on really smooth, like very easy to put on. I ain't gonna lie. I always thought Tyreek was kind of soft, but when he put him back in his place, yeah. Everybody. He don't even look that hard. He just be finding out information at the right time. I fucked up with these handles. Okay, just stop. You just gonna keep hollering, you fucked up and keep fucking up. Because I gotta finish the fucked up job. Look at what I did to these handles, man. I fucked up the handles, right?
Yeah, you wasn't supposed to paint the handles.
Yeah, I want the handles painted, but she just fucked up.
No, the inside, I shouldn't have did that, B. I'm mad. You don't want to see this, babe.
I'm sorry, you know, man. I gotta be working out. You gotta be working out. This shit, girl. Let me see what you did. You done made a mess. You made a mess. Oh, no, it's not too bad.
You're so sweet. Thanks.
And listen, you gotta get some of that. Don't leave your hair bubble the bed.
Yeah, and I don't want no drip marks.
Yeah, that's what we don't want. We ain't trying to trip nothing.
I think I made it right. Much better. Okay, so I think all of them, this is as good as it's gonna get, like the top one.
Yeah.
You don't have to go in there.
Mm-hmm. The sides look great. It's the fucked up fronts for me.
I should have got a smaller hoodie rolling thing.
Yeah. If we about to continue to be Picasso, we're gonna call you in a little bit.
Okay, we trying to shoot up.
We're about to finish being Picasso. We're gonna call you in a
I
little bit.
can't see two beautiful ladies. I want to see.
This nigga here.
Damn, I gotta be disrespectful.
Ah!
Okay.
Look, what you walking back is disrespectful, man. I can't believe it.
Yeah. This bitch wants to waste the paint. Oh yeah, we wasting paint, Picasso. I'm gonna put you down. Hey, don't stop that. So much money.
Hold up.
Can't stop that.
You don't know nothing about no Ludacris, boy. How old are you? How old are you? He 31?
Yeah, she said he's 31, baby.
Now you asking too much. Now, my name ain't even D. I don't know why she told you that, but now you asking too much.
Oh man, she hiding from somebody.
He said you hiding from somebody, D.
No, our name is really not D. She's the only person that called me that.
Yeah.
It's what's your name?
These nuts.
Oh.
Got that ass.
Yeah, I'm doing a good job.
Bitch, you doing a good job.
Ooh, you doing a good job. You doing a good job. I should have been a painter.
You got half of a camera, so it's not working.
Oh no. That whole fucking shelf left.
Another shelf? The white one? Why you don't leave that?
No, I don't have nothing black. Everything I have is white and wood. Like a cream and wood color. Honestly, I'm really okay with it.
Oh, come on this side. It's dripping at the top.
Roll it. Hey, put it in one coat. Shit. I'm tired, y'all. I've been working all day on my office, like organizing everything, putting everything together. You know, I got finished painting early this morning. I got up and started finished doing that around 5 this morning. So yeah, right now I'm just about to show you guys the finished product. I do have a picture of my first office from like 2 years ago. Where my first office was in the garage. So yeah, it's not completely finished yet. I still have some things that I want to get and put in different places to like make the whole full aesthetic come together, things I want to put on the wall. But this is pretty much it. I kind of just want to add more green, but other than that, guys, this is it. About to show you guys. Let me close the door. Disregard the trash and the cleaning stuff. I'm going to take that out of here once I walk out when I get done with this video. So let me go ahead and switch the camera around so you guys can see what I got going. That's where we are right now. I am currently sitting in my room. This is what it looks like. This is progress. It was full, but technically it's not really progress, but it's progress because I took everything in the closet. But everything in the closet is what goes in the closet. Clothes, shoes, you know. I also put up this mirror. My jewelry box, it's crooked, but fuck it. I don't give a Yeah, it took so much for me to put that thing up. And just to make sure like it won't fall. So this is it. So this is what I'm doing right now, cleaning up. And yeah, I will keep you guys updated.